Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn how to refresh formulas in Excel. So before we start, are your formula calculating slowly? If you are using a heavy Excel file, I think you have come across this issue. So today I will let you know how to fix it, how to refresh formula in Excel, fix formula that aren't updating. Okay, if you are opening any heavy Excel file, so it will calculate and it is taking a lot of time to open. Okay, so in this video we are going to look at how to recalculate and refresh formulas in Microsoft Excel. Okay, we will do this using the calculate now, calculate sheet features in the application, and we will also look at the using keyboard shortcuts. You can use the keyboard shortcut also. So first we should know why do we need to recalculate and refresh, okay, formula in Excel. So Excel automatically calculate all the formulas within a worksheet. So when there are complex formula or large data set, Excel performs slow down. This is because it calculates after every changes or update. Okay, you may spend more time waiting on Excel to finish than you do on updating or entering information. Suppose you're opening any Excel file and if you're updating anything, you have to wait to calculate every time and it is totally waste of time. So to solve this problem, you can set a calculation option from automatic to manual. Then you can use the application features to manually recalculate formulas. Means you can change from automatic to manual and you can update all the Excel file whatever you want, and after that you can refresh that. Okay, so there are two methods to set calculation to manual. Okay, for the first method, go to the file tab. From here you can go here, you can click on more options, and here is formula. From here you can click on manual, click OK. This is the first option. Okay, and for the second option is very easy. You have to simply go on formulas and here is calculation option, and here you can select from automatic to manual. Okay, so there are also several keyboards. There are several keyboard shortcuts to improve your efficiency when refreshing your calculation. Okay, so I have mentioned over here F2, select any cell and then press F2 and hit enter. Okay, to refresh the formula. Just click on that and just click on F2 and enter. Okay, the first. And the second is recalculate all sheet in workbooks is press F9 from your keyboard. Control Alt Shift plus F9, recalculate all sheets in all open workbooks. Post calculate open workbook in all open workbooks. Means you have including cells that have not been changed. You have opened a lot of workbook. So if you press Control Alt Shift F9, it will recalculate all the workbooks, including all worksheet. Okay. And if you press Control Alt Shift F9, then recalculate all sheet in all open workbook. Okay, so let's see with the example so you can understand better. So let's see the example 1. I have already put on manual. Okay, so we have a data, we have a date, gross sales, discount, cost, and here we are going to put formula. net sale, net sale, gross sale minus discount. Okay, and here the margin would be net sale minus cost. And now I'm going to drag it, this also. See, but it is not changing. See, okay, and I'll go here, and if I put automatic, it will change. See, everything has been changed. Okay, I'll again put on manual, and again I'll drag it the formula. Okay, and now I'm just clicking on calculate now. See, if I'll go and I'll keep cursor over here, you can see the shortcut also. Calculate, for the calculate now, F9. Calculate the entire workbook now. Okay, and if I click calculate sheet, it will calculate only this sheet. Let's see the example 2 also, so you can understand the same. But I'm going to do the same formula. Okay, net sale minus cost. Okay, here if I calculate now, see, so it will calculate this sheet also and this sheet also. But let's see, I'll drag it, and here also I'll drag it again. And now if I click on calculate sheet, it will recalculate this particular active sheet only. Let's see, I'll click on calculate sheet. See, if I go on example 2, it will not calculate it. Okay, it's remain the same. Then I have to again click on calculate sheet, then it will calculate, recalculate. But if you click calculate now, it will recalculate all the sheet. Okay, so this shows how easy it is to refresh calculation manually. Let's see the shortcut also. Okay, I'll delete it and I'll drag it. Okay, let's see the shortcut. So now let's see the shortcut also. If you want to calculate the particular cell, any cell, suppose this one, so just press F2 and press enter. See, it will calculate the particular cell only. Okay, and now if I press F9, see, it will calculate all the worksheet, this one also. Okay, shift F9. Let's see again the shortcut. Okay, I'll drag it again here, I'll drag it again over here, and now I'm going to press shift plus F9, this worksheet. Okay, this sheet has been recalculated, but this one, it will not recalculate it, because shift F9 recalculate all the formulas in the active sheet only. If I press Control Alt Shift, Control Alt Shift and F9, then it will recalculate all the worksheet. Okay, Control Alt Shift F9 recalculate all the sheet and all the open workbook. So this is the So what is the conclusion of this? This shows how easy to refresh calculation manually. If you're working on heavy Excel file, so this will very helpful. Before open any heavy file, just open a new workbook and from automatic change in manual, then you can open your report. So it will, you can save a lot of time. You can improve the performance of your Excel files by using manual calculation. This can improve efficiency and reliability in the end. Okay. So I hope you understood how to refresh formula in Excel. And if you have any query regarding this, you can email me. I will solve your query. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.